Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to upload a document to DocHub. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to dochub.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already. This ensures you have access to all of DocHub's document management features and can save your uploaded files securely. After logging in, you'll land on DocHub's main dashboard screen. This is your central hub where you can access all your documents and manage your files. Now, to upload a document to DocHub, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see a button labeled New Document. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the upload interface, where you can add files to your DocHub account. Once you click New Document, you'll be prompted to add a file to process. Look for the Select Files button and click on it. This action will open a File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to browse through your folders and locate the specific document you want to upload. Navigate through your files and select the document you wish to add. For example, this could be a PDF you need to edit, a contract that requires signatures, or any other document you want to work with in DocHub. Once you've found the right file, click on Open to proceed. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the upload process finishes. Depending on the size of your document and your internet connection speed, this might take just a few seconds or a bit longer for larger files. The system is processing your document and preparing it for use within DocHub during this time. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the Create Document button appear at the bottom part of this window. Click on this button to finalize the upload process. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded a document to DocHub, and it's now ready for editing, sharing, or any other task you need to accomplish. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.